Good morning, tubers, and it's really an early morning. Some of you have asked what it's like getting ready for market, and this is a winter market, so there's not a whole lot going on. We do have a lot of lettuces going on, and Darlene has some baked goods for the Finster Farm, from the Finster Farm kitchen that we're taking. But still, we have to be in our spot at 8 o'clock in the morning, all the way downtown and actually midtown Memphis. So that being said, what we do is we get everything together. I got all my signs and the tables and the tent. Everything is all together in there, and the stuff that this lettuce is going to be displayed in, it's all ready to go. I just have to load it into the truck. But out here, what we do is, well, let me just show you. Yeah, I apologize for the lighting because it is really dark outside. You're basically getting the light from my fluorescence above. But what we do is we determine which lettuces we're wanting to take. These are some of the more mature lettuces, so I'm going to pull it out from here. We'll pull out a whole row at a time. Take it over to the stands, which I'm rebuilding, by the way. I've got some stuff to rebuild these so that they can swing in and out, give us more room. Once I have lettuce on this side, I'll have more room for stuff in the middle. Anyway, I'll pull it out from here, sit it over here, and then we just kind of start moving it to the totes. And let me show you that. Okay, for the lettuces also, I wanted to show you, we put about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water in all these for the living lettuce. And that's going to keep the lettuce nice and fresh and crisp all day long at the market. Okay, as beautiful as this lettuce is, and let me show you how beautiful it is. That's a Boston. That's called Rex. It's beautiful. As beautiful as it is, there are some bad leaves that are always on these things, and it's what's laying against that trough. And usually that dies off, or it'll get. Those are like the first leaves, and they'll die off, and the rest of it is pretty good. So if you turn it over, you can see here's one of them, right there. Right there. We'll just pull that off and get rid of it. Let's see if I can, hold on. Right there. See how much different that looks than the rest of it? You pull those off, you got a really nice plant with no bad leaves, and it looks perfect. Now, a lot of people will clean those roots off. I don't. I just throw them straight in the water like that, and sell it at the market. Does wonderfully. Hey, you got to be careful too, because if this is out of balance, it's a balancing act. It'll flip over while you're on unloading it. I gotta be careful. And there you go, that's one tote. Hold on. That's what you get in 6 beautiful heads of Boston lettuce. I've got to do that with the rest of these. I'm going to put, I'm going to get about somewhere around 60 heads to take today. It's raining outside, not sure what kind of business we're going to have, but this is our first winter market out here, and I want to see what happens. But I'd rather sell out and come back next week than have a whole bunch of lettuce to put back up, because this stuff, you can put this right back in these troughs and they'll be fine. Anyway, I got a lot to do. I got some red butter to load, a bunch of myrrh, and some romaine. All right, I've got the lettuce all loaded up into the totes. It's beautiful, and I'm gonna load it into the truck and put the tables and all that stuff in there on top of it so it doesn't blow away on the way. Isn't that beautiful? This is my best seller. This is the myrrh. That and the romaine is really doing well right now. Well, this romaine is beautiful, and it's hard to find without E. coli in it, so we sell out pretty quick. Those of you who are growing this way and don't grow romaine, you're missing out. I'm just telling you. You have to be careful because it will flip over because it gets top heavy, and I am building some support systems to run this way. I can just slide maybe a conduit or something beside it to hold it up, but I'm working on that. God bless. We'll go play in, let's see, try it again. God bless. Go play in the dirt. We'll see you next time. Take care.